Here I have DOOGEE S60, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your language. I'll stay with English. Then tap Let's Go. Then you can insert your SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on you, you can just skip this step for now and connect SIM card anytime later. Then you can copy your data from your previous phone, but you can skip this step and set up your device as new. Next, you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you, you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up date and time, enter your phone's name, and then you can add your fingerprint to unlock your phone, for example, with your fingerprint, but you can do this anytime later in settings and skip this step for now. Then you have Google services. If you want them, you can just leave them. If you don't want them, like I don't want them, so I recommend to disable them, but in any case you will have to accept Google's terms of service. And then you have to accept that you read privacy policy and that you read contest form, accept and continue, and your device will be ready to be used after that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.